Hey there, CyberTutor here. In today's video, we're going to break down system vulnerabilities and why identifying and fixing them is crucial to keeping systems secure. These vulnerabilities can be found everywhere, from your organization's network to mobile devices and even the cloud. Let's break them down one by one. Let's start with network vulnerabilities. These are weak points within the infrastructure of your network. For example, if your network isn't properly segmented, a hacker can move easily between different areas. Or if your firewall isn't updated, it can allow malicious traffic through. Network vulnerabilities can lead to breaches, so make sure you're using strong encryption, monitoring traffic, and regularly updating your network devices. Organizational vulnerabilities are often about people and processes. If employees don't follow security protocols like using weak passwords or falling for phishing emails, the entire organization is at risk. This is why cybersecurity training and clear, enforced policies are essential to keep everyone aware of potential threats. Next, we have software vulnerabilities. These are bugs or weaknesses in programs that hackers can exploit. You've probably seen headlines about major software companies releasing patches to fix vulnerabilities. If these updates aren't installed quickly, attackers can exploit those weak points to gain access to systems. Always keep your software up to date and use reputable programs to reduce risk. Operating system vulnerabilities are similar to software vulnerabilities, but affect the core systems that run your devices, like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. These vulnerabilities can allow attackers to take control of an entire device, potentially gaining access to all its files and applications. Regular updates and patches are your best defense, and don't forget to use built-in security features like firewalls and antivirus. Now let's talk about mobile device vulnerabilities. With more people working on the go, smartphones and tablets are common targets for hackers. Things like connecting to insecure public Wi-Fi, downloading malicious apps, or not using proper mobile device management tools can expose sensitive data. Always secure mobile devices with strong passwords, use encryption, and avoid risky apps or networks. Physical vulnerabilities are often overlooked, but just as dangerous. If someone can physically access your devices, they can steal or damage them, or install malicious software. This is why securing physical spaces is so important. Make sure servers are locked in secure rooms, laptops are never left unattended, and staff are aware of physical security protocols. Process vulnerabilities refer to gaps in how an organization handles its security practices. For example, if a company doesn't have an incident response plan in place, they'll be slow to react when a breach happens, or if data isn't properly classified, sensitive information may be stored in less secure areas. Reviewing and updating processes regularly is key to closing these gaps. Finally, let's talk about cloud and IoT vulnerabilities. More companies are using cloud services and Internet of Things devices, but these can also create new security risks. For example, misconfigured cloud storage can expose sensitive data to the public, while poorly secured IoT devices can be hijacked and used to access your entire network. Always ensure cloud services are properly configured and monitored, and IoT devices are updated and secured. To recap, network vulnerabilities can expose your infrastructure. Organizational vulnerabilities often come down to human error. Software and operating system vulnerabilities open the door for attackers if not updated. Mobile device vulnerabilities put data at risk on the go. Physical vulnerabilities allow unauthorized access to equipment. Process vulnerabilities show weaknesses in your company's procedures. And cloud and IoT vulnerabilities are growing as we rely more on connected systems. Each type of vulnerability requires proactive defense, from strong policies and regular updates to secure physical spaces and well-configured cloud services. Thanks for watching. Make sure you catch the previous videos in our Unit 11, Cybersecurity and Incident Management series if you haven't yet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future content. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay secure.